I want to talk to you about the best credit cards for Uber and Lyft. So if you use rideshare services, it's great to actually have the right credit card to actually reap as many benefits as possible. So I want to first talk about the best credit cards for Uber, and then I'll speak about the best credit cards for Lyft, and then I'll tell you how to really optimize whatever credit card you have, so that you can really have you can reap as many benefits as possible. So the best credit cards for Uber. Let's first talk about the platinum card from American Express. This card is great for Uber cash credits. Okay, so if you're looking for a card that's great for Uber cash credits, the American Express Platinum card is really great, and the card allows you to earn 80,000 points, and you have actually a rewards rate that goes from 5x to 1x to 5x. The only problem with this card, I mean, problem, quote unquote, the only situation with this card is that there is a high annual fee of 695. So this is the kind of card that you want to get if you are actually if you have the right spending pattern, because this is an excellent choice for rideshare users because it offers up to $200 in annual Uber cash credits, which can be used for rides or food deliveries. Plus, you will automatically be enrolled as an Uber VIP. On top of that, the Amex Platinum features numerous other credits you can take advantage of when you pay with your card. So that's really good. Another card that's great for dining credits, the American Express Gold Card, and this card actually allows you to earn 60,000 points, and the rewards rate goes from 1x to 4x. But there is an annual fee with this card too, so just be aware that you have to match a specific spending pattern to actually find this card interesting. So the annual fee is $325. But in terms of rewards, you can earn 4x membership rewards points per dollar spent on purchases at restaurants worldwide, on up to $50,000 in purchases per calendar year. You also have a 4x membership rewards at U.S. supermarkets, on up to 25,000 in purchases per calendar year. 3x membership rewards points per dollar spent on flights booked directly with airlines or with on amextravel.com. And you also have a 2x membership rewards points per dollar spent on prepaid hotels and other eligible purchases booked on amextravel.com. If you're looking for the best credit cards for Uber and Lyft, I want you to think about the Apple Card. This card is great for digital wallet users. So if you are a digital wallet user, you will love this card. Okay, and the card allows you to actually earn, I would say, 1 to 3% in rewards. 1 to 3%. That's still good. I mean, there is no intro offer, but hey, listen, the 1 to 3% is pretty interesting. Like 3% cashback with Apple and select merchants when you use an Apple Card with Apple Pay. 2% cashback when you use Apple Pay, and 1% cashback when you use the Titanium card or your virtual card number, wherever MasterCard is accepted. So if you are a fan of both Apple and Uber, you may actually want to consider the no annual fee Apple Card. It currently holds an unlimited 3% cashback on Uber and Uber Eats purchases when you use your Apple Card with Apple Pay, and is low on fees in general. Okay, just remember that you need to have an Apple phone or other device to benefit from this exceptional rewards rate. And you also have the Bank of America customized cash rewards credit card, and this card is great for flexibility. And let me explain what I mean by flexibility. Basically, first of all, you have an intro offer of $200. Okay, $200, and also the rewards rate goes from 1 to 3%. In other words, you can earn 3% cash back in the category of your choice, up to 25,000 in combined choice category and grocery store, wholesale club quarterly purchases. You can earn automatic 2% at grocery stores and wholesale clubs up to $2,500 on in combined choice category, grocery store and wholesale club quarterly purchases, and you earn 1% actually 1% on all other purchases. So this card actually offers a decent cashback in the category of your choice. And one of the eligible 3% categories is travel, which includes rideshare services like Uber and Lyft. And if you notice you're taking fewer ride shares one month, you may appreciate the ability to swap your chosen category every single month. So that's really good. If you're looking for the best credit cards for Uber and Lyft, I also want you to think about the Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express. This is one of my favorite business. This is one of my favorite credit cards, not business credit card, but just regular credit cards. Okay, and actually, and this card has a pretty interesting intro offer in the sense that you can earn $250, and the rewards rate goes from 1 to 6%. That's really high. That's really good too. So that's really fantastic. And the annual fee is $95, but that fee is waived the first year. So the first year, you're not paying anything, but the subsequent years, you are paying $95. So the APR goes from 20% all the way to 30%. So 20 to 30%. Okay. So let me explain to you a little bit about the rewards. So the rewards, you have 6% cash back at US supermarkets on up to $6,000 per year in purchases. Then it becomes 1%. 6% cash back on US streaming subscriptions. You have 3% cash back at US gas stations and on transit, including taxis, rideshare, parking, tolls, trains, buses, and more. And you have 1% cash back on other purchases. So the Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express actually remains like one of the top credit cards for Uber and Lyft. It is often listed as one of the best credit cards for families because it offers limited elevated cashback on US supermarket purchases, but this card also offers unlimited cashback at US gas stations and on transit purchases, which includes rideshare services like Uber and Lyft. You also have access to Amex offers, which occasionally features limited time promotions on rideshare services like Uber. So this is really good. So overall, fantastic card. The card has great perks such as a Disney bundle credit, return, and also purchase protection, and more. It also offers a decent intro APR offer and welcome bonus with a relatively reasonable spending requirements. So this is actually that's it for the best credit cards for Uber. Let's talk about the best credit cards for Lyft. So first of all, I want to introduce you to the Chase Sapphire Reserve. This is the best credit card for annual travel credit. Okay, and so basically, you have an intro offer of 60,000 bonus points. Okay, and in terms of the rewards rate, you're looking at 1 to 10x, 1 to 10x. Okay, but the card does have an annual fee of 550. So 10x in the sense that you earn 10x total points on hotels and car rentals when you purchase travel through Chase Travel. You earn 5x total points on flights through Chase Travel. You have 3x points on travel and dining, and 1 points per dollar spent on all other purchases. So that's really good. So the Chase Sapphire Reserve is easily the most valuable rewards card for Lyft rides. You'll earn 5x points on Lyft rides and plus a $10 ride credit every month, which can add up quickly if you are a frequent Lyft passenger. And this card also offers an annual up to a $300 travel credit on qualifying travel purchases, which includes ride shares, hotels, and flights. So this is really good. And if you're looking for a card that is actually great for beginner travelers, go with a Chase Sapphire Preferred card. And this card actually has also a great, I would say, intro offer. And the intro offer here is 100,000 bonus points. Okay. So if you're looking for a card that's great for beginner travelers, go for 100,000 bonus points. And the rewards rate goes from 1x to 5x, 1x to 5x. And there is an annual fee of $95. Okay. $95. And so when I say 1x to 5x, you have 5x on travel purchased through Chase Travel, 3x on dining, select streaming services and online groceries, 2x on all other travel purchases, and 1x on all other purchases. So this is kind of cool. Okay, so in terms of rideshare benefits, you will earn 5x points on Lyft purchases. You will also earn 2x points on travel and 2x on dining. So you can quickly accumulate points for future travel or cashback. Additionally, the card offers valuable travel benefits like trip cancellation insurance and no foreign transaction fees, making it a well-rounded option for frequent rideshare users. So this is really good. If you're looking for the best credit cards for Uber and Lyft, especially in the category of best credit cards for Lyft, I want you to think about the Chase Freedom Unlimited. This card is great for no annual fee. Okay, and so basically, in terms of intro offer, you can earn $250 cash back. And in terms of rewards rate, you're looking at 1 to 5%. 1 to 5%. Okay. So 5%, you enjoy 5% cash back on travel purchased through Chase Travel. You have 3% cash back on drugstore purchases and dining at restaurants, including takeout and eligible delivery service, and 1.5% cash back on all other purchases. So if you are a regular Lyft rider but don't want to pay an annual fee to earn bonus rewards on rideshare purchases, you should consider the Chase Freedom Unlimited. You will earn 2% cash back on all eligible Lyft spending, okay, as well as a base rate of 1.5% cash back for all purchases made with your card outside of the bonus categories. And you can redeem rewards. You can redeem rewards for statement credits to cover purchases, gift cards, merchandise, experiences, and travel. You also have the Built MasterCard. This is a card that I want to share with you. This card is great for renters. If you are a tenant, this card is really great. And there is no intro offer, but hey, listen, it's still good anyway. You have a rewards rate. So the rewards rate goes from 1x points to 3x points. So 3x points on dining, 2x points on travel, and 1x points on other purchases. Okay, and so renters who use Lyft frequently can benefit a lot from this card. Once you have linked your Built Rewards account to your Lyft account, you can earn 5x points on Lyft rideshares. Plus, you can enjoy a $5 Lyft credit if you take 3 or more Lyft rides a month. And the Built card also offers decent travel rewards with a high estimated redemption value. So this is kind of cool. So you can redeem those Lyft rewards toward your next trip. So this is really good from a flexibility point of view. So this is actually, I just shared with you some of the best credit cards for Uber and Lyft. Let's just understand that if you have to compare them, you have to ask yourself what's really important for you, right? So if you think about the best cards for Uber, you have the Platinum card from American Express. You have American Express Gold card. You have the Apple card. You have a Bank of America customized, and you have a Cash Rewards credit card, in addition to the Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express. So basically, the Platinum card is great for Uber Cash credits. It does charge you a $695 annual fee. The American Express, the gold card from American Express is good for dining credits. This card is charging you $325. The Apple card actually is great as a tool for digital wallet users. There is no annual fee on this card, and neither is there an annual fee for the Bank of America customized cash rewards credit card. Okay, and the card that I love the most is the Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express, and this card is great for families. Okay, you look at the bonus transit category that includes ride shares like Uber and Lyft. So this is a good card to actually have. And so that's for Uber. What about the best cars for Lyft? You have the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you have the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, you have the Chase Freedom Unlimited, and you have the Built Mastercard. So when I say the Chase Sapphire Reserve, this card is actually good for the annual travel credit. Don't forget that this card does require an annual fee of $5.50. For the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, you have a card that's great for beginner travelers. The card is still charging you at $95. And you have also the Chase Freedom Unlimited. This card actually has no annual fee, so that's really good. And the Built Mastercard has a card that's great for renters. So if you're a tenant and you want to enjoy extra benefits, go with this card. Now, just remember that the card wants you to link up your account to your Built account, so you got to really have that. But once you do, you can really enjoy. That's really fantastic. So if you think about the best credit cards for Uber and Lyft, it's important for you to choose the right credit card for ride sharing because things change and those providers, they change their offers all the time. And you also have changes coming from Uber and Lyft themselves. So you got to really ask yourself, what type of rewards do you want to earn? Is the annual fee worth it, right? Because if they're charging you a $6.95 or $5.50, you better really spend a lot to actually cover that fee. And you got to ask yourself if you're looking for Uber, Lyft, or both, because some rideshare services, some people appreciate one rideshare service over another, while others just love both. Okay, so you got to really ask yourself if you have a preference or you just really don't care. And what is your card pairing strategy? Don't forget to consider pairing cards that help you reach different objectives. Okay, and you also want to maximize cards for ride sharing. So cards with ride sharing benefits are often found on some of the top rewards cards. Okay, so what you want to do here is that if you want to maximize your rewards and optimize your earnings, you want to take advantage of any welcome offers. Anytime you have a welcome offer, you just want to grab it. You just want to grab it right then and there. Okay, take advantage of any welcome offers. You want to meet ride sharing benefits requirements. You want to use a reward strategy. So if you don't have a reward strategy, you are going to be putting you are going to be leaving money on the table. So whether it's a multiple card strategy like the Chase Trifecta or using your card to earn rewards in its top bonus categories, you want to optimize your spending so that you rack up rewards. Okay, so frequent Lyft or Uber riders can potentially stack up hefty rewards with cards that feature a ride sharing as a bonus category, but you might consider using a different card that lets you earn a higher rate of rewards for all of your regular purchases, not just ride shares. So that's really good, and you want to research redemption options as well as other options to get the most out of your rewards. So in conclusion, in today's conversation, I shared with you the best credit cards for Uber and Lyft. I spoke about the best credit cards for Uber and the best credit cards for Lyft. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.